First, we import the FS module and specifically its promises-based API to handle file operations. This will allow us to use async and await for non-blocking file I/O operations. Here we define an asynchronous function called readFile. It takes a single argument, the file path. Inside the try block, we await the file's contents, which are read using fs readFile. If successful, the data is returned. If an error occurs, it's caught in the catch block and we log an error message to the console. Next, we define another asynchronous function named writeFile. This function also takes two arguments, the file path and the data to write. Within the try block, we use fs writeFile to write the data to the file. Upon success, a confirmation message prints to the console. Similar to readFile, any errors during writing are caught and an error message is displayed. In this self-invoking async function, we demonstrate using the writeFile and readFile functions. We define a file path named example.txt and a string of data containing hello, world. We then write this string to the file, wait for that operation to complete, and immediately read from the file. Finally, we log the read data to the console confirming that our read and write operations were successful. Note that using async functions ensures that the code does not block the event loop. This is essential for Node.js applications to remain responsive. Also, error handling is crucial when working with files, as many issues can arise, such as missing files, permission errors, or data corruption. Always ensure to handle errors gracefully for robust applications. That's it for our example. You've seen how to read and write files in a non-blocking manner using the FS module's promise-based API in Node.js. Remember always to test your code thoroughly in different scenarios to handle all possible errors that might occur during file operations.